Hundreds of parents are being forced to stay home and not return to work as record staff shortages hit childcare centres. New South Wales is the worst affected state, and those in the industry say our strict regulations are making things worse.
Kids care and early childhood education, essential services all but falling by the wayside.
We have a real problem that has to be fixed.
The Australian Childcare Alliance saying up to 17,000 workers are needed this year in order for the industry to stay viable in New South Wales alone.
Skilled labour shortages was already happening prior to COVID. Since COVID, it's gotten far, far worse.
Kara and Kate own Puddle Duck Early Learning Centre in Brookvale and say if they didn't have more than 30 years' experience working in the area, they wouldn't have been able to recruit staff.
But we've really had to pull on every avenue, like all our community, our friends. We've had to put trainees, 2 new trainees in every room. So we're overstaffed right now, but it's for future planning.
They believe if the regulation requirements for centres was made more reasonable, it would be easier to retain workers in the industry.
So if you're in a situation where you need 3 staff in that room, the department is wanting us to have 2 of those staff to be the diploma trained.
This system is too burdensome for the current service providers, and we need greater flexibilities without compromising quality.
Education Minister Sarah Mitchell told 10 News First millions of dollars is going towards helping workers meet regulation requirements. The Shadow Minister declaring the red tape a failure.
Some of the mums didn't go back to work, which is not what we want. We want the women in the workforce.
Eligible parents are expected to receive an increase of up to 90% in government subsidies come July. But those in the industry say those parents could still be forced to miss out.
The knock-on effect, unfortunately, will be that parents will either have to find alternative arrangements for the education and care for their children, or they will not be able to go to work and they will have to look after their own children at home.
Keziah Dawn for 10 News First.